Video Academy. Starting from Visual Composer version 5.0, we have introduced Template Library, which is a repository of downloadable, high-quality templates that have been developed by web design professionals together with Visual Composer team. Moreover, all of the templates comes together with high-quality free stock images that you can use even for commercial websites. To access Template Library, make sure to have your Visual Composer Direct license activated, as this is one of the core benefits of having Visual Composer Direct license. In order to access library, navigate to Templates option within navigation bar and switch to Templates Library tab. By default, there will be no templates downloaded and an option to access library. By clicking Access Library, you will be navigated to Template Library, where you can browse through the templates and preview them. Once you see the template that you would like to download, simply click Download Template button and wait for template to be downloaded. After, click Exit Template Library and you will see your new template downloaded. Simply click Add this template to the page and your newly downloaded template will be instantly added to your WordPress page. Don't forget to regularly visit Template Library, as we will add more and more templates on a daily basis. Thank you.